What's up, YouTube? Today, and we're gonna be playing Tower of Fun. As there's order 66 stages. Star Wars reference. Anyways, let's get on with the show. Alright, Tower of Fun. Oh, there's only 5 minutes left. Let's see if we can actually make it to the top. 5 minutes. And we could jump really high. Ah, wait a second. Wait. Hold on. That's not my face. That is not my face. Come on, mate. What the fuck? There we go. Dang it. I was like, fail. No. Wait, stop it. Hold on. Ah, for crying out loud. Okay, I'm back. Dang it. I can't get past the first level because of these guys. They're full of people. If somebody, if somebody can actually make it in first place, wins. My head just popped. I'm a bad one right here. Yeah, let's just do this the old-fashioned way. I think I think these people actually saw me. Now they'll never let me win. Whatever. Fuck. Dang it. Dang it again. Out of my way. Let's just wait until the round over. Be ready. Alright, here we are, guys. I just teleported to a new map because I'm pretty lazy to wait. Already winner? Looks like we're just gonna fall. Okay. Whoa, okay. I like how it looks like a planet. No. Okay. What's that shop? Items. No, for coins? Come on, mate. How tall is this? Oh my. We're at the yellow right now, so I guess that's a good thing. Yeah. Oh man. Dang it. I can't see these really well. It's not because I'm blind, I'm just. There it is. Dang it, I didn't see it again. I don't think I'm gonna win this. Oh, there I am, right here. Yeah, let's do the other side. Oh, ah man. Jeez. No. There we go. Okay. Now, oh my. Alright. Alrighty. Now let's just jump over. Oh, come on! Alright, anyways. Alright. Out of my way, people. No! Alright, let's go the other way then. This is the old way. Yeah. I can't reach up there, so just this old. Okay. Okay, there I go. Come on. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna take a couple steps back. Why do I keep saying that? Jeez. Alright, I'm at sky blue. That means I might be right here. Right here. That means I might be halfway, I think. Maybe. I don't really know. I like how I look like a planet. Wait a sec. I'm not that far up here actually. I might be at another great part right there. What's up? Okay. I have no idea why my face looks like this. Thank goodness this has checkpoints. We don't have to start all over again. And also, by the way, Tower of Fun is actually training of the other one. Because I'm pretty lazy. Whatever, I just died. Alright, alright. Alright. Okay. Alright, I'm right here. I'm halfway, I think. I'm at the tops of them all. Well, let's go. I'm gonna win this. Let's see. Whoever gets the first place wins. Oh, oh, I don't think so. Oh, I don't think so. Hut, 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 hut. Alright. Next. Oh. Really, mate? Oh, my. Okay, I'm gonna do this the old-fashioned way right here. Because this one's more easier, everyone. It's already been 9 minutes. Jeez. Time, how does time flies? Alrighty. I'm gonna win this. Okay. Whew. How time flies. I'm almost there, you guys. Wanna win this? Can't wait. Okay. Almost there. Yes. Whoa. I'm gonna take a couple steps back. Okay. Hey guys. Oh no! Alright. No, not again. Hold on. Alright, guys. I'm at the gray part. That means I'm almost there. Oh no, only 2 minutes left. I'm at 3 minutes left, everyone. Let's go. No. What? Alright. Alright. No one can beat me. I am unstoppable. Yes, guys. I'm almost there. Oh, come on, Mike. Dang it. Alright, hold on. That way? That way? Okay. Yeah. Alright. 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 Alright, everyone. Oh my, this is gonna be hard. Okay, never mind. Ugh. Yes! I'm almost there. Yes. Yes. Alright. Yes, guys, I'm the winner! Yes! 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 Yay, guys, I'm the first winner! Yay! I won! Ain't too easy? Oh, yeah? Pro mod? Ooh. You guys thinking what I'm thinking? Pro mod! Which that will be in the next video. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time!